Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching Lighting Lightstrade online exhibition. I am Casey, the host of factory tour this afternoon. Well, I will take you through 15 leading lighting companies this afternoon, and our factory tour will be broadcast all over the world via Lightstrade on SMS, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and so on. So please follow us on SMS by searching Lightstrade. Okay, let's have our first company. That is Bluemac Lighting Company. Welcome.
Hi, everyone. I'm Stefan
Hello,
from Bluemac Lighting.
I'm Casey
I'm Stefan.
from Lighting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
May I have your name?
I'm Stefan.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good
can you
afternoon.
open your
Can you hear me?
voice? Can you open your voice? Hello. May I have your name, please? I cannot hear your voice.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you
Hello.
hear me?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes. I can hear you now. Hello. May I have your name?
Hi, I'm Stefan from Bluemac Lighting.
Okay, Stephen. Yeah, Stephen. Welcome to participate in our online live shop event. So now we have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your products. So could you please give a detailed introduction of your company first?
Okay, sure. We are Bluemac Lighting as our brand, and our company is called Non-IsolatedDriver Lighting Factory. We are very specialized in LED ceiling light, or known as globe light as well. Our company for 10 years, and you can see the product at the back. These are all the globe lights. I'm at my showroom right now.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, Stephen. You are showing the effect and the function of the products, right?
So now I will introduce one of our best-selling product, as also our evergreen product, and this is the base.
Yes.
We call it infrared LED lightings, LED light, infrared LED light, ceiling light. It's a remote control. Comes with remote control, okay?
Yes.
And you also can have a switching at the color switch. You can have two options.
Two options, okay.
Yep, you can have two options. So our product, this LED with warranty for 3 years, and the remote distance is around 8 meters. 8 meters, you can remote your control, the LED light.
Okay.
You can remote the LED light, okay? And this product is a plug and play product. It's a plug and play product. You don't need any pairing. You no need to search your devices to pair the lights, everything. You just plug it into your wall, and then you can use the remote and use it directly, instantly.
Okay.
Very easy to use.
Okay, so could you show us how to control the light, Stephen?
Yeah.
Can you show us?
Sure. Okay, I can show you here. This is the remote control, okay?
Yes.
You can have the standard switching, which is daylight, and then the warm white, as well as the 4000K and the night light. Or you can press this button, one press to get it for the night light, or you can use the percentage, 100% brightness, 50% brightness, or 20% brightness. And one of our special features of our product is the delay time. I can show you the delay time here. It's a 30 minutes delay time. So when you want to leave your room, You just press this 30 minutes. And once you leave the room, after 30 minutes, the light will switch off by itself. It's very easy and very human friendly, very user friendly.
Okay. Can we change the color? Is it the color is changeable?
Yes, the color is changeable. You can change it here or you can change it here. They are all the remarks here. 6000K, 3000K, 4000K.
Okay.
You can also personalize your color temperature as well. You can personalize by pressing this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's very interesting. Any other else?
Yes, with this product, some of our customers, if they need the CE certificate, we also have a CE certified product, genuine
Okay,
CE certified.
Yes.
Yeah, it's also infrared. It's also infrared.
Okay.
It's a genuine CE certified, and these are the two certificates of it. This
Yeah.
is for the EMC.
EMC.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Do you have the
EMC.
UL? Do you have the
This
ETL?
is for the LBD.
Okay.
Currently, we are not making any UL certificate at the moment.
Okay. So
Yeah, but FCC we have.
yeah, ACC. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Have you applied the patents for the products?
No, this product we don't have any patents because it's our design, but we don't apply any certificates for the patents.
Okay, it's very interesting, and I believe it will be very popular in the market.
Yeah.
I have a few questions. How about the minimum order? How about the minimum order quotation?
The minimum order will be 100 pieces per design.
Yeah. Okay. How about the lead time?
The lead time at the moment currently is maximum 30 days.
Sorry.
Currently, the lead time is 30 days maximum.
30 days. Okay.
30, 30 days.
Okay. Okay. So, as I know, your products are so all over the world. Is the COVID-19 virus affecting your business?
Yes, it will affect a little bit, definitely, because some of our customers, their area already closed down for quite some months.
For some months. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have anything other? Would you like to share others or other
Yes.
products? Anything?
Yes. Okay. Yes. Another one. The other new product will be the microwave sensor product. Okay. Is this one? It's a very simple microwave, but this one is a smart microwave lightings. It's a smart system.
Smart system.
Yeah. Okay. How smart it is? The detection of this microwave is around 5 to 8 meters, roughly. Okay. So once somebody move in, it will light up. But the next thing is different. This product is because it has a sensor.
Okay.
How to say sensor? Let me see. First, you move into the area, it will light up. Let's say you pass by somewhere around 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Instead of switching off, it will have a standby time, which will dim down the lights. Instead of full brightness, it will reduce the brightness, for example, to 20%. This is a 12 watt, maybe you will light up around 3 watts. So if no movements, another 5 minutes, it will shut off.
Yeah, so it's very intelligent.
Yes. Instead of on and off, it will have a standby time. It will dim down, so the whole room will not be so dark.
Okay, it's very interesting. Any other products?
This one. Okay. This is our module lighting. Okay. Our module light is also a plug and play. because some customers, they will have their lightings very old and they don't really want to change their lights, their covers or everything because very expensive or very troublesome. So they will just get this and then they will connect to the electric current and will light up. Just plug and play also, very easy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no electric man needed.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's the main market of your products?
Our main market basically is in Europe and Southeast Asia as well as Middle East.
Europe,
Europe, America,
okay.
Southeast
American?
Asia, and Middle East.
Okay, that is very used. Any other product want to show us?
Yeah. Our standard product, let me show you. Instead of all those jargons like infrared, sensor or module, our standard product is this
Standard
one.
product.
Yes, very durable, very long lasting.
Yeah. How about the lifespan of this product?
Lifespan, we warranty for 3 years. And from our feedback from our customer, basically 5 years is no problem.
How is the warranty?
3 years.
3 years?
Warranty for 3 years. LED and driver.
Okay.
Yep. And our acrylic, let me show you.
Yes.
Okay. Another features of our product is our acrylic.
Acrylic?
This, yes, our acrylic is using the all genuine, new raw material. Instead of recycle, we don't use any recycled product, recycled material. Everything is brand new, so that the transparency is very high, the output is very high.
Okay.
And then our mold, our workers, they are very skilled, and all the covers is very smooth, very, very smooth.
Can I know the price?
That's a crucial point. The price, for example, this one is 48 watts. The 48 watts, our standard price is around 40 to 50 renminbi at the moment. Yeah, and some of the items already increased price a little bit due to the raw material price increment. Is also roughly around 45 to 55.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another two?
Okay. And as for this one, the infrared roughly is around 60 to 70.
67.
Yeah, 60 to 70. Depends on, the most important thing is depends on the cover.
Depends on the cover? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
The cover will make the final price.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's all for our introduction.
Thank you. That is have you tried e-commerce online shopping channel? Have you sold your products on the Amazon or Alibaba, Shopify, or something like that?
Not really.
Not really?
Yeah, we never try any online sales ever.
So,
I can say that.
Okay.
This is our very first time.
So how to develop your target customer, how to develop it? Take the exhibition or the?
Yeah, basically it's in our exhibition, and we do have a showroom in Guzheng. We do have a showroom in Guzheng as well.
In region?
Guzheng. In Guzheng town, we have our own showroom.
Okay.
Yeah, the customer is able to walk in. Basically, 11 months we open every day, 7 days a week.
Oh, that is great. But now we have during the COVID-19 virus affecting our many countries in the world. So how to develop the export customers? Can they
Currently,
come in your showroom?
they can't come into our showroom, but because we are in the market for more than, it's around 10 years. So a lot of our traders or the agents will contact their customers using our product
Oh,
and
okay.
place purchase with us. And basically, all our customers are with us for more than 5 years.
Yes. Can you
Yeah.
share? Okay, Stephen. Can you share? Is there any example the example project of your product?
Currently, I'm in my showroom. I can show you around. I'm in our
Okay.
showroom.
Yeah. Okay, that's great.
Yeah, let me show you here. Okay, this is our showroom.
Oh, I can see many selling lights.
Yeah,
It's
basically our best selling is over here. Our best selling, bestseller. Yeah, this one as well as this is evergreen product. This is a new items this year coming up, very new.
Okay.
This series.
The light is very suitable. It's
Yes, it's very comfortable.
yeah.
Yes. Yeah, you can see around here.
It's the
This is our
design.
high-end isolated driver.
Okay.
Yeah. This all bright up. This is a night light. And this is a daylight. This product have a memory system. Once you switch light, for example, if you switch around for the warm white, the next time you switch on, it's still warm white. It will remember.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the crystal lights.
Crystal lights. Yeah. Very beautiful.
Yes. Yeah, that's all. It's
That's
very
all.
simple. Yeah.
So it's very interesting, and we can have seen many beautiful products. So do you have anything to share, or we next time?
Yes. So if anyone want to contact us, this is our QR code, Bluemac lighting. You can add this for the widget, or contact us at the below telephone number 134-2049-1444. 134-2049-1444.
Yes. So we can add your WeChat, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is our
Okay. Okay. We can take the chance to contact Stephen, or you leave your contact information in the comment area. Then Stephen or us will contact you later. Thank you,
Sure.
Stephen. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you very much. And
Thank you for your
thanks for
feedback.
everyone.
Thanks.
Okay. Bye.